Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. In today's presentation, we are going to tackle the following question. What is the value of 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 2? This is a question that requires the use of Bodmas. If you can remember in our previous presentations, the word Bodmas represents the following order of operations. So number 1 is B, which represents brackets. Number 2 is O, which represents the operation of. Number 3 is D, which represents division. Number 4 is M, which represents multiplication. Number 5 is A, which represents addition. Number 6 is S, subtraction. So in our expression, we have 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 2. So the first operation to use would be the division part. We will introduce our brackets at this point and operate the division first. So our equation now becomes 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus the product of the operation in the bracket. So in the brackets we will have a third divided by a half is the same as a third multiplied by the reciprocal of a half, which in this case will be 2 over 1. So upon simplification we will have 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus, so inside the bracket we will have 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2 as the numerator, and then 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3, which will be our new denominator. The next order of operation is the addition section. So we can introduce a new set of brackets at this particular point. So upon simplification we will be expected to carry out the addition bit. So for us to be able to carry out the addition, we will need to find the LCM between number 5 and number 4. So the LCM of 5 and 4 is equal to 20. So in our case here, we will have 20 as our denominator, then 20 divided by 5, that gives us 4, so we have 4, then multiply that by 3, and then plus we have 20 divided by 4 multiplied by 1, so this will give us 20 divided by 4 is 5 multiplied by 1, then we subtract 2 over 3. So upon simplification we have 20 as our denominator, and in the numerator we have 4 times 3 is 12 plus 5 times 1 is 5 minus 2 over 3. So this will give us 12 plus 5 is equal to 17 over 20 minus 2 over 3. So the last order of operation will be the subtraction. So in this case we repeat the same procedure again. We find the LCM between 20 and 3 and then multiply the quotients with 17, and then we simplify the expression. So the LCM of 20 and 3 is equal to 60. So our new denominator here becomes 60, and then 60 divided by 20 gives us 3. So we have 3 multiplied by 17 minus 60 divided by 3 gives us 20. So in the numerator here we have 20 times 2. Upon simplification we have 3 times 17 gives us 51 minus 2 times 20 gives us 40, all this divided by 60. So when you simplify this, you have 51 minus 40 gives us 11, and the denominator becomes 60. So this is the result of evaluating the expression 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 2 following the Bodmas order of operation. And this brings us to the end of our presentation today. Looking forward to seeing you in our next presentation. Thank you.